Today's recipe is not so delicious, but also very healthy and beneficial for health. Ingredients of this recipe are milk 2 kg, crushed almond 1½ cup, crushed coconut 3 cups, clarified butter ghee 4 tablespoons, sugar 1 cup. Let's start the recipe. Add crushed almonds and coconut in milk and soak 3-4 hours or overnight so that it will become soft. Then cook it on medium flame until milk dries. Now add 4 tablespoons of clarified butter, ghee. Add 1 small cup of sugar, or you can add sugar according to your taste. Cook it for 10 minutes until oil separates. And now it's ready. All the ingredients we used in this recipe have so many health benefits. Coconut helps in intense hydration, rich with antioxidants, helps in weight loss, reduces signs of aging. So this recipe is so delicious along with health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe the channel for more recipes.